Learning to swim in deep water can be daunting. Learning the correct push-off technique can make swimming in deep water much easier and much safer. If you haven't yet learned a push and glide in shallow water, I would highly recommend checking out our video on the push and glide technique and how to introduce freestyle kick. You'll find this on our YouTube channel. To push and glide in deep water, start with one hand on the wall and the other arm on the surface facing where you intend to go. Your feet should be on the wall together no more than 1 meter under the water. When you're ready to push off, place your hands on top of each other or on the kickboard and push, just like you would in a regular push and glide. Always remember, when swimming in the deep end, the key is to remain relaxed and focus on relaxed breathing. If you're new to swimming in the deep end, always practice under lifeguard supervision. Practice only what you are comfortable with. Don't forget to subscribe for more Learn to Swim videos.